Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day one of our Ashtanga Yoga 30-day challenge for beginners. So I hope you're ready. Come to a comfortable seated position, however that looks. We're going to begin with the opening chant as discussed in the introduction to this challenge. So bringing the hands to Anjali Mudra, make sure that you're sitting equally on the sitting bones. Take a breath in. Vande Gurunam Charnaravinde Samdash Satsva Savara Bodhe Nishte Se Jankai Kai Mani Samsala Hala Hala Muha Shantye Abavu Purushakaram Shanka Chakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. So we're going to begin with Surya Namaskar A from seated. So Surya A, or salute to the sun as it's known. We're going to look at how we can do this from a seated option. This will get the back nice and warm as well. So you can do this from a chair or from a seated position. So from here, just sit nice and tall. So then on the inhale, you're going to scoop the arms forward and up. So inhale, lift up. You might lift the gaze. And exhale to fold forward. Squeeze the bandhas. Remember bandhas and breath, ujjayi breath. Inhale, lift the chest forward, draw the shoulders back. Exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, lift the chest forward, draw the shoulders back. And exhale, fold forward. So stay here for a count of 5. 1. So this will be your downward dog if you're working from standing. 2. Relax the head and gaze off the drishti of the tip of the nose. 3. Keep hold of the bandhas, keep your breath. 4. Remember those 5 principles. And 5. Look forwards. Inhale, lift the chest forwards. Exhale to fold. Inhale, lift the arms up. And exhale, samastitihi. So that's one round. So from here, we're going to do this with the Sanskrit count. So starting with number 1, ekam, inhale, internal rotation of the arms. Lift the gaze if that's suitable. Dve, exhale, fold forwards, let go of the neck. Trini, inhale, lift the chest forwards. Chatvare, exhale, round. Pansha, inhale, chest lifts forwards. Shat, exhale, fold. 1. So see where you can relax, but keep the fingers really engaged. 2. I'm only counting a period of time, so find the own rhythm with your breath. 3. So don't try to breathe to my rhythm. Just think of this as a period of time. 4. Remember drishti, bandha, ujjayi. And 5. Look forwards. Supta, inhale, chest comes forwards. Ashtau, exhale, fold down. Nava, inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, samastitihi. Good. So we'll try this from a kneeling position. Essentially, we're working into more of a cat combination, Majrayasana. So in all fours position, just have a little sway, make sure your hips feel happy. And then we'll start again. Surya Namaskar A. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale and fold round. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale and fold and round. Last one. Inhale, lift the chest, draw the shoulders back. And exhale, fold and round. Sink all the way back. 1. So now child pose becomes your downward dog. 2. So the arms stay extended in our extended child pose. 3. You can rest your forehead down, or you can stay on the forearms if that's preferable. 4. Nice even breathing into the back muscles. And 5. Look forwards. Inhale, come through, belly dips. Exhale to fold, round. Inhale to lift. And exhale, Samastitihi is neutral spine. Good. So from here, you can stay seated. You can come through to all fours and repeat from there. Or you can make your way through to a standing position. So I'd like you to choose what's best for you today. We'll come to Samastitihi, which means to be ready. So your hands come to the sides of the body. You kind of stand to attention. So you're really in that present moment, which of course is what yoga is all about. So Surya Namaskar A from standing. Please remember you have the options to bend your knees, particularly if you have any back issues. I would encourage that, support your body. So again, we have the internal rotation. Ekam, inhale, lift the arms, lift the gaze. Dve, exhale. So you can swing the arms back and fold forward, kind of a swan dive. Bend the knees as much as you need to for the hands to meet the floor. Trini, inhale, lift the chest. Chatvane, bend the knees, step back to plank, or a knees down plank position, you choose. Lower all the way down, release the toes. Pancha, inhale, a baby cobra here, or a higher cobra. Shat, exhale, knees down, push back into downward dog. 1. So feet are hip distance, hands are shoulder distance. 2. Relax the head, gaze between the heels. 3. Or even between the knees or up towards the navel. That's your dristi. 4. Further the muscles of the legs as you reach the heels back and down. And 5. Up onto the toes, bend the knees, look forward. Inhale, come through. So you can do a little walk through if you want to jog or even jump. I'll leave that up to you. Exhale to fold, let the head dangle. Press into the heels, squeeze the bandhas. Inhale, lift all the way up. And exhale, Samastitihi. Good. Going to do any option of your choice once more. Ekam, inhale, lifting. Dve, exhale, folding. Trini, inhale, lift the chest. Chatvane, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, might do baby cobra, full cobra, or knees away from the floor, upward dog. Shat, exhale, push back. 1, so you might be in downward dog. 2, you might be in child pose. 3, you might be folding forward from seated in your chair or on the ground. 4, remember all those options. And 5, look forwards. Supta, inhale, walk it forwards if you're in downward dog. Shat, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, rise all the way up. And exhale, Samastitihi. So pause there for a moment, wherever you are. I'm coming down to seated. Feel free to stay standing or come down. If you're in seated, just stay as you are. Take a few moments, close the eyes. Feel the movement of the breath. Just really connecting with the prana you've created in day 1. Take an inhale, exhale, namaste. So well done for getting through day 1. I hope you enjoyed those options. Remember, yoga is for everybody. Do what you need to do. One option isn't better than the other. It's just what your body needs at that moment in time. I hope you join me for day 2. Remember to like the class if you enjoyed this. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these classes for this 30-day challenge. And I'll see you soon. Take care.